now I'm going to teach you how to assemble the Tslot with the elastic nut and bolt. Hi, here is the elastic nut and its bolt. As you can see, there is a spring button here. This side should be here and slide into the slot. It will be very tight. Now here is our bracket. Use the bolt to fasten them together. Here we can slide it from this side to another side. And in the last, we can fasten them together. This one is done. Now let's come to another one. It's the same. Use this side into the slot and then fasten the bracket with a bolt. Now here we can slide it from this side to another side. In the last, we can fasten the bolt. Now here we are done. It's a complete frame.